Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now, if you are watching this, chances are you are either running an online store, thinking about starting a dropshipping business, or just looking for a smarter way to make money online. And let's be real, AI is completely changing the game for online income, from automating side hustles to discovering smarter ways to build passive income streams. It's really opening doors we didn't even have a few years ago. One of the best ways people are actually making serious money with AI right now, dropshipping. You know it, because you hear it everywhere. Think about it, dropshipping already lets you sell products without holding inventory. But the messy part has always been the back end, finding reliable suppliers, spotting trending products before they peak, making sure orders ship smoothly. It's enough to overwhelm anyone. That's where AI comes in. With the right tools, all those headaches become way simpler, faster, and honestly more profitable. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how Doba Dropshipping is using AI to help entrepreneurs worldwide build and scale their online stores. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you will know how to tap into AI, not just run a dropshipping business, but to actually grow it into a reliable income stream. So let's kick things off with a quick intro, because if you are going to use a platform to make money, you should know who's behind it. Doba isn't just some new startup that popped up last year. It's a US-based dropshipping platform that's actually been around since 2002. Yep, over 20 years in the game, helping entrepreneurs and store owners run profitable online businesses. That's 20 years. Here's why that matters. Instead of wasting hours jumping between supplier websites, messy spreadsheets, and multiple dashboards, Doba pulls everything into one clean platform. You have product discovery, inventory sync, order fulfillment. It's all handled. And that's exactly why thousands of entrepreneurs use Doba Dropshipping. Not just to simplify dropshipping, but to actually make it scalable. Less chaos, more focus on what really makes you money. Core benefits and features. Alright, let's get into the fun part, the features, because honestly, this is where Doba Dropshipping really shows why it's a game changer for making money online. Benefit 1, access to over 1 million products. Yep, 1 million, guys. From home and garden to beauty, electronics, pets, sports, you name it, it's in there. And here's the kicker. A ton of suppliers are US based, which means shipping as little as 2 to 5 days. Faster shipping equals happier customers, which equals repeat sales. Benefit number 2, smarter product discovery. We all know the hardest part of dropshipping isn't listing products. It's finding winning ones. Instead of gambling on random items, Doba literally shows you what's trending through its top ranking tab. These are products that are already selling well. Plus, you can filter by category, shipping times, price, even supplier location to zero in what fits your store. Hours of guesswork gone. The third benefit, seamless integration. Now, running a Shopify store, selling on Amazon, eBay, or TikTok shop, Doba Dropshipping connects directly. With just a few clicks, your store syncs your products, upload, and manage everything in one dashboard. It's like plugging AI into your business without the tech headache. Benefit number 4, automation that actually matters. Now this one is huge. Imagine never worrying about whether an item is out of stock or if prices changes overnight. Doba Dropshipping updates everything in real time, and when you get an order, it automatically processes and forwards it to the supplier. No more manual busy work, no more costly mistakes. The benefit number 5, no minimum orders. This is perfect for testing and scaling. You don't need to buy in bulk or sit on a pile of unsold inventory. Just list the product, see if it sells, and only pay when your customer does. Lean, low risk, and way friendlier for anyone just starting out. In short, Doba dropshipping takes the grind out of dropshipping so you can focus on the part that actually grows your income, the marketing and the scaling. Alright, so how does Doba dropshipping actually work? Let me break it down for you. We have 4 simple steps and you will see how easy it really is. How Doba dropshipping works, step by step. Step number 1, connect your store. Hit the big Connect a New Store button in your Doba dropshipping dashboard, pick Shopify, Amazon, eBay, or TikTok Shop, and boom, your store is now linked. No coding, no messy APIs, just plug and play. Step number 2, find hot products. This is your treasure hunt. Filter by niche, shipping times, supply location, price, you name it. Or shortcut by research by checking top ranking or new arrivals to instantly spot trending products. The step number 3, import products. See something that you like, one click and is in your store. Doba dropshipping automatically pulls photos, description, and details. Now your listing looks without you lifting a single finger. Well, you did, you clicked, but it's just one click. And finally, we have the step number 4, sell and fulfill. Customer buys, Doba dropshipping handles it all. You pay the wholesale price, the supplier ships directly, and you keep the profit. No inventory, no packing tape, no headaches. Just 4 steps, simple, automated, designed to let you focus on scaling your business instead of drowning into the boring stuff. So why choose Doba dropshipping instead of juggling suppliers yourself? First, reliability. Every supplier on Doba is carefully vetted. No random, unverified sources, just solid partners you can trust. Second, speed. Many suppliers are, like I said, US-based, so shipping is fast. Customers get their orders in days, not weeks, a huge edge over the competition. Third, education. Doba's Elite Academy is included free with the standard subscription, which is valued at $750. It teaches advanced strategies, especially for platforms like TikTok Shop, so you can maximize profits without guessing. Fourth, reputation. Over 20 years in the game and thousands of success stories, Doba has proven itself as one of the most trusted dropshipping platforms out there. Now here's the exciting part for anyone looking to leverage AI. AI Hub. This is where Doba gets next level smart. You can instantly build a full Shopify store with 10 AI recommended products. The AI even gives personalized product suggestion based on your preferences and sales history. You want trending products? They can automatically be added to your store on a schedule, keeping your listing fresh and relevant while you focus on growing your business and on marketing. And for content creators, there's the Video Hub. It's packed with ready-to-go video content, trending products vetted by creators, and a library of free high-quality videos ads from suppliers. No filming, no guessing, just grab and post on your socials and start marketing your products. In short, Doba dropshipping isn't just dropshipping. It's dropshipping powered by AI, designed to save time to boost profits and let you focus on the stuff that really grows your business. So now that you have seen how powerful is Doba dropshipping, here's the easiest way to try it out. Doba offers a 14-day trial for just 99 cents. Yep, less than $1 for 2 full weeks. Explore the catalog, test store integration, and see if it's a fit for your business. You don't need to pay thousands to get access. Ready to go further? The standard plan unlocks all the advanced tools, 5 store integrations, 1,000 one-click product listings, 3,000 inventory slots, plus 2,000 product downloads every month. On top of that, AI tools like the product finders and auto lister save you hours of manual work. Imagine adding one product, then another, then the description, etc. It takes hours of time. You will also get the Elite Academy for $750 value, plus full access to the AI Hub, the Video Hub, everything you need to grow your dropshipping business faster. Check out the special link in the description to start your trial and level up your store today. To wrap things up, Doba Dropshipping is truly one of the best tools out there for dropshippers. It saves you time, helps you discover winning products, integrates seamlessly with your store, and automates the hardest part of running a business. If you are serious about dropshipping and want to work smarter, not harder, then Doba Dropshipping is absolutely worth it checking out. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel for more e-commerce tips, and don't forget to check out the links in the description to start your 99-cent trial today. Until next time, keep building, keep growing, and I'll see you guys in my next recommendation. Peace out.